In this tutorial you will learn how to fix the error. Something went wrong. Try to reopen settings later in Windows 11 and Windows 10.
First open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Windows Update. Press Run the troubleshooter. Wait for the program to detect your Windows Update issues. Close the troubleshooter and restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Notepad. Open your Notepad. Copy the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Paste the text into your Notepad. Click on File. In Save As type Select All Files. In file name type fix.bat. Press Save. Right-click your fix.bat file. Select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Type Y and then press Enter. Now restart. Now run Windows Update. First open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Go to Create Windows 11 Installation Media and press Download Now. Save the file. Double-click the file you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press Accept. Select your language and edition. Press Next. Select ISO file. Press Next. Save it as Windows 11. Wait for the file to be downloaded. Press Finish. Double-click the Windows 11 ISO file. Click on Setup. Press Yes. Press Next. Press Accept. Select Keep Personal Files. If you want to do a clean install, click on Change What to Keep. Press Next. Wait for the update to be installed. Now your problem should be fixed.